Dictation. Dictation. Please, in your notebook, please write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 5 and number 6 have 2 syllables. 2 syllables. All right. Number 1 is pick. 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 Repeat, pick. How many sounds in pick? Pick. Number 2, sun. 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 Repeat, sun. How many sounds in sun? Write it. Sun. Number 3, up. 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 How many sounds in up? Up. Number 4, set. 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 How many sounds in set? Okay, number 5 has 2 syllables. 2 syllables. So first, listen. First, listen. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. What are the 2 syllables? Pick. Pick up. Pick up. Write pick. 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 Up, up, up. Pick up. Number 6 has 2 syllables. Sunset, sunset, sun. Set. Sun. 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 Set. 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 Are you finished? Let's check. If you're not finished, watch again. If you're finished, let's check. Number 1, pick. Number 2, sun. Number 3, up. Number 4, set. Number 5, pick up. Pick up. And number 6, sunset. Sunset.